Hey everybody, welcome to the Pound of Flesh room. I'm Kale. I work behind the scenes here. I make all the products, all the silicone. And today we're going to take you behind the scenes and give you a closer look at how everything's made. So let's go. CAD/CAM software is used to design our molds and products in-house. Doing so ensures quality and function before the mold is even produced. This is our CNC machine for a pound of flesh. Earlier you saw that shield mold on my computer. We programmed it, we set up the machine, we ran it, it's now finished. So let's take a quick look. After I apply tool paths to the mold, the setup process in the CNC machine begins. All our raw materials and equipment necessary to produce the pound of flesh products are made in the USA. The pound of flesh has taken the time to develop their own recipe that is scientifically formulated and calculated to ensure consistent and quality products. We deliver a wide range of products all over the world. The feedback from our customers is really important to us. We take this into consideration in our research and development phases. We love the artists, we love tattooing, and we love being a part of this thriving industry.